It will be bold, dramatic. No capes.
Well, that's it for us. I hope you've enjoyed everything you've seen today. As you can tell, we have some incredible projects in the works.
Did he just say incredible?
Incredibles 3. Brad Bird is currently developing the film right now. More on that next time from all of us at Pixar. To all of you, thank you, and see you at the movies.
What's the best Pixar movie ever?
Oh.
Wow, amazing question.
Oh, there's so many.
Monsters, Inc. Easy.
Hey, Ted! Good morning!
Cars.
There you go.
Yeah, I like Cars, yeah.
Oh, shoot, it is Incredibles. Incredibles are up.
Boy, does that movie just yank the tears out of your eye ducts right from the start.
Egghead News. Hey everybody, it's Spivey4994 with an update that did wait. And I'm here to apologize. That's right. Over a month ago at D23, the news that fell under the radar but over the clouds. Figure that one out if you can. That's right. The Incredibles 3 is in production. That's all the information we got. That's all the information we need right now. All we know is that the Incredibles family will soon be back on the silver screen, and Pixar is bringing it right back to you. Can't be happier than that. But to do the right thing, as we always try to do over here at Egghead News, let me read it to you like they wrote it. Pixar's superhero family is suiting up again. Incredibles 3 is in development at Pixar Animation Studios with writer-director Brad Bird, who helmed 2004's The Incredible and 2018's The Incredibles 2, returning for the threequel. Pixar Chief Executive Pete Docter made an announcement on Friday at D23. Docter provided no further information about the project, but the announcement of a new Incredible movie coming out on the heels of the wild success of Inside Out 2, which recently passed The Incredibles 2 as Pixar's highest grossing film ever, and Disney Animation's Frozen 2 as the highest grossing animated film of all time. No release has been set for the third film in the franchise. So there you have it. And we made up for it. Hey, but before we go, we got a little bonus at the end of this. So until then, see ya!